boys and girls, what I'm trying to say here is, well, let us take another song in particular and discuss it briefly. Run DMC, Walk This Way. This is a reimagination of an Aerosmith tune, a tune written by and performed by Aerosmith. The difference between this and what I'm talking about with Granny Monster is that Henry Mancini, who wrote the Bond theme and performed it with his orchestra, is not around to give permission. So what is going on is a complete reimagination of his music without consent. And that's the problem. It ain't right. It shouldn't happen. I can't put it any plainer than that. And Granny Monster seems to have a problem getting her brain around that fact. It's theft of intellectual property because Mr. Mancini did not give consent. She thinks I was putting her down. I was putting down whoever wrote the music that she used. Period. I voiced an opinion and I did so politely. So boys and girls, let me be clear. As my About page says, I tell somebody something politely one time, period. So I am titling this video, The Death of a YouTube Monster, Granny Monster. Because as far as I'm concerned, she placed her own headstone. She's done. I won't waste my time on her channel ever again. If she can't appreciate the fact that other people might have a different opinion, her problem. Think about that. Okay, boys and girls, let us make this clear. I tried subbing this person because they were involved with Jiu-Jitsu's drive to help people get subs. This is called Granny Monster. She played this is a video about a salute to Sean 007 Connery, tribute in dubstep. Well, the music played is a reimagination of Henry Mancini's original Bond theme. I made it quite clear here. Whoever reimagined Henry Mancini's version of Bond theme should be hung. Never mess with perfection. Okay, and this person has one of the dumbest reactions. It was like I was chastising her. Okay, I simply said whoever messed with the music was messing with perfection. Well, here's my response to her. The early sounds of proto-dubstep originally came out of production during '99 and 2000 by producers such as Oris J, LB, Steven. The point is, dubstep is very new. The Henry Mancini version of James Bond theme is almost 70 years old. And it is, to this day, the quintessential perfect piece of music. They still use it to represent James Bond 70 years later. Now, generations have grown up listening to the Henry Mancini version of the James Bond theme song, and it has served all of us very well. So, as I told Granny Monster, how would she feel if somebody took one of her videos and re-edited it to their liking? That would be wrong, and it would be a crime. I feel the same way about re-editing James Bond theme to somebody else's notion, that it is wrong and it is a crime. It is called plagiarism, theft of intellectual property. And if Granny Monster can't get around that, that's her problem, and I'm most happy to unsub her channel. It's just that simple, folks. I just want everybody to understand exactly what's going on before she goes through and deletes these comments. This video will appear on my channel, and it will stay there, including a copy of all of the comments included. I will simply copy and paste to the comment section of my video. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to